Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera and a very good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to extend my warm welcome and sincere appreciation to all the members of the media. Thank you, media, our sponsors, to our respective sport facility, coaches, athletes, parents, supporters, and guests of honors who will join us on the tournament now. On behalf of our SAK, it's a great pleasure officially announced today is on the 3rd of August, Kuching Squash Invitational 2026, which will take place on the 4th to 6th September 2026 at our Sarawak Club Squash Court is downstairs there lah. Yeah, it will be a 3 days tournament. As winning station, we are excited to once again host this tournament and bring together the squash community from across Sarawak. We expected around 70 to 100 participants now throughout all the Sarawak, actually from Sibu, Miri, Bintulu, Samarahan will join for this tournament from the school around the Kuching and from the squash club throughout the state. This tournament is open exclusively for Sarawakian players only. We don't open for the West Malaysian now because of restriction, so we have to open for the Sarawakian only. Towards our commitment on the developing local talents for the Sarawak and providing them meaningful competitive opportunities. Okay, that on our tournament basically is we more towards for the Sarawak. All Sarawak players will be coming to play for this Kuching squash invitation. Second, purpose and vision of our tournament. At SAK, we believe this tournament is much more than a competition. It is a platform to nurture your young talent, strengthen friendship within the sporting community, encourage greater participants in squash. So we want more young and talents towards this squash for our state. All athletes who step into our court is not only competing for the title, but also learning valuable life lesson for discipline, silence, sportsmanship, and respect. These are qualities that extend far beyond the game itself. Through sport, we believe we build confidence, develop character, inspire young people to strive for excellence in everything they do. This tournament is also part of our long-term commitment to growing squash in the Sarawak. We want to see more children picking up in the squash, especially for this more on the school participant in the sport, more than talented athletes progressing from grassroots competitions to school to national and international level. We want participants from the school. Actually, we send to all the school in Sarawak. Can tell you, we send all invitation to the school in Sarawak. I think roughly most of all the school we send for invitation for this tournament. We want more for the tournament. Actually, from the young junior primary school to play in our tournament. Basically, tournament highlight. This tournament features category as a men premier, woman premier, and the boys, girls under 9, 11, 13, and 15. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 9, 11, 13, 15, men's and women. So 6 category for the tournament. So by providing opportunity for athletes for the such young age, we hope to create a continuous pathway for the players' development while ensuring that squash continue to grow within our state. We are pleased to offer attractive cash prize for both the premier and the junior categories as a way to recognizing the hard work and dedication to our players. Later on, we'll go through on the prize money and pricing. Yeah. Inspiring the next generation. One of the greatest inspiration for the Malaysian squad player is Dato' Nicol Davis. We know Dato' Nicol Davis is our best nation player. Besides that, we had one Azlan Iskandar is our local player. We want to develop more the next Azlan Iskandar from Kuching. At least the one Azlan Iskandar. Even the men or boys or girls, at least there is one more Azlan Iskandar next. So far, after Azlan Iskandar, saya lagi orang nak gantinya until today. Semua tahu apa Azlan Iskandar ranking, I think by that time pernah di top 10, top 5 in the world that time. So what we want is to Kuching to develop the next Azlan Iskandar. Okay. On the Nicol Davis, his remarkable achievement to show us the Malaysian discipline and continuous support Malaysian athlete can compete in success in the world, can compete a success on the world stage. Yeah, there's a Nicol Davis, who is world number 1 for I think more than 12 years, 1 or 2 years, yeah, as a world number 1, yeah. So as a whole of this, we hopefully that with this expression, and it is our sincere hope that through tournament like a Kuching Open, Kuching Squash, we will discover a nature of talent from Sarawak who may one day proudly present our state and the country. Yeah, so far we don't have any a new player from the state for the next the top 5, the top 10. Now only I think Siva Sangsari only, yeah, in the world. Siva Sangsari, Sanggari, yeah, I think the top 5 or top 8, yeah. Semua lainnya semua from Egypt lah nowadays lah semua. Yeah. Okay. So for the tournament, we will go for the sponsor. Okay. The next one is the sponsor. Alhamdulillah, just come in tadi my tournament director, Saudara Ishak call. We just received another one sponsor coming in, Alhamdulillah, from Tan Sri. Okay, for our sponsor, on behalf of our squash association, terima kasih and thank you to everyone who, and we really appreciate for the sponsor. The first sponsor is come from Tan Sri Bustari, OBYU Group. There's our main sponsor. The second one is Dato' David Chong, is from Chong Kia Hoi Realty, Senang Berhad. Alhamdulillah, dua big company from our Sarawak sponsor us for this tournament. Beside that, Shauna Theatre Senang Berhad, my own company, SIP holder, and beside that, my friends Badu Management Senang Berhad is belong to Saudara Is and Saudara Haris, and beside that also Speed Toys Marketing Senang Berhad. Another one is Sunrun Trading Senang Berhad, and we think this 2 weeks to go will be some more sponsor will be coming in. Hopefully, inshallah, there will be some more sponsor will be coming in. With that sponsor, we can bring in more award prize for the tournament. Okay, for the prize of the tournament, I think itulah prize paling besar lah so far yang kita pernah organize for Sarawak lah. I think Munir di Kuching, di Sibu or di Miri. I think Kuching total prize cash and in kind roughly dekat 10,000, 10,000. Men's champion 500, Men's runner-up 300. Women pun sama, 500 and 300. Boys under 13, under 15, we give 200 champion for the boys 13 and girls 13. Second place 150, third place 180 ringgit. For the boys under 9, 11, 150 champion, 170 and 50. So total cash roughly dekat 5,000. So in kind ada 5,000. So even with this, basically our gift is for the. I think there's there's a gift for the T-shirts. For our gift is a T-shirt tournament T-shirts and goodies for all the players. Siapa masuk tournament, semua ada gift diberi. Walaupun yang kalah, as long as register with us, we will give every of them is gift to them. Okay. Beside that, we are looking for also. Beside this gift, we are looking also for the token to every of the players. We are looking for the mendapat diberi racket. We want to get a sponsor from this who's able to sponsor us a racket to the top of the winner. Sebenarnya, that beside the cash. Okay. So total roughly we can now estimate around 10,000. If we get more sponsor coming, we will give some more. Basically, as SAK, as myself and all of committee member, this tournament bukan nak we all want to we want to give back to the society. It's part of our SAK pun. Even now, all our players they play for free now. Yeah. I think coaching we play for free. Then we give incentive to our players for the when they play for the national tournament. Yeah. Top 8 we give the incentive. Later on maybe my committee member can explain on incentive to our players now. That's why SAK we looking forward for the players yang nak main. Then we give incentive. We give them even when you set a racket, but you come in only. We give you a racket to play first. Let you main, then mula you pandai lagi, bawa you beli racket you pun. That's our intention to bring more players in. We want them young junior players, maybe 4, 5, 6 years old, to come in to play. Basically, that's all our tournament. Okay. So on the on the close. Okay, on the closing. Basically, on the closing date, it will be remain on the 15th August, near the 12 days to go. I would like to encourage all eligible school, squash club parents throughout Sarawak to take this opportunity to participate in our setting tournament. We wish to thanks to all media again to continue the support in promoting squash and helping us reach more young people throughout the state. Together, we can inspire greater participants in the sport, contribute towards building a healthy and more active community. Finally, I invite everyone to join us for this coming 4th to 6th September 2026 at the Sarawak Club Squash Court, as we will celebrate not only spirit of competition but also friendship, sportsmanship, and the future of the squash in Sarawak. Okay. What we want support from the state government also, hopefully with the support of MSN, SSC, can give us a good coach for the Sarawak. We need a good coach for the elite team and for our development. Now we don't have any good coach. Just to share dengan kita orang semua, coaching is developed. Tapi if the state, this is very open, if the state even not provide us a good coach, until now we cannot develop a good player. We need the support from the state, we need the support from MSN, from SSC, give us two good coach, local or foreign coach, even they can import from Pakistan. Give us two, and we can provide more good players. Now average we get 50 to 60 coaching player. Give us more and we can give maybe 100 players. We can give 100 players. Now our member is 60 players. We can give 100 players. This my attention. Yeah, we want to build, we want to grow this squash, but without the support from the state government, we cannot do anything. It's on our own. Okay. Any question? Sekian. Terima kasih.
Okay, question from me is that you need coaches, right?
Yeah.
So how's the state, the state setup? Do they have good coaches too?
You see, state coaches is every state there's every division there's a coach. Kuching, Cebu, Miri, and Bintulu. You see, and Samarahan. Sorry, not Bintulu, Samarahan. Okay, Kuching. Now there's only 2 coach left. One elite is instructed on the Sukma, even you can see there. And one is a very junior, is a last Sukma coach to become our coach. So we need a good coach for the elite. We got our elite, and for development. Where is our development coach now? We don't have a development coach. So how we want to develop the players? Perlu disampaikan bukan apa. The coach you can see lah, every game is a coach main peranan lah. You see, even World Cup pun dia menang bah. First game kalah, second game coach dibuang bah. Tu sih. Kita ada coach. You have all our individual. You see like my committee member. Sedap tu training by semua PT is private coaching. They spend 1,006 per month for the private coaching to bring in other coach just to play for their kids. There, she bring in outside coach just to pay 1,000 per month just to bring in. Now we got one student from Swinburne just to share with you is from Negeri Sembilan, Indian. Part time lah, ambil lah pakai. You see, then we take up one Pakistani also to train us at the KGS. Also PT also, private coaching also semua. Boleh.
Untuk sedikit penambahan mengenai coach to be actually we have 2 club in Kuching. One is under Samarahan, one is our club is SAK. So this means we sharing coach.
Yeah,
sharing coach. Actually, before this, we our own coaches. One is the development coach, and one is sparring coach. That is what we want actually. Now to late 2025, one of our development coach contract habis lah, and then but no more the good coach for us in Kuching lah. That's it.
That's why you can see, just to share, where is our Kuching players in the Sukma. You can check the 3 players for the Sukma is not from Kuching, all from Miri and Cebu. So where's our development? You can see where's our next generation. Yeah, now our kids are all 15, 16 and 17 years old. Where's the next one who can come in? Yeah, it's development very important. Yeah, grassroots is very important. So without it, I think this have to look for to this MSN SSA have to look into it. I think. Yeah.
So throughout the years, Kuching has been a powerhouse in Sarawak, is it? In squash, yeah. You were saying the one from Miri and Cebu representing Sarawak.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, throughout the years, how has Kuching been?
Okay. Previously to 2024 until end of 2025. Okay, for the junior program and junior players, we involved with international like what tournament in KL?
Exposure?
Huh?
Exposure?
Yeah, but it's, I think it's more under 9 until under 11. Last time we are top 4 player in Malaysia. In all these under our club Kuching SAK. One is boys under 9, boys under 11 also top 4, and then also girl under 9 and under 11 also top 4 last time. But now starting 2026, I think the performance
Not
not very well.
bad.
Not very well.
Okay.
Okay, just want to add something. Currently, we have one good player. Is the name of Javin Ling.